So in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about CourseBuilder. CourseBuilder is our tool in AbilityLMS to create your own courses. A course in the system consists of one or more activities to complete grouped into sections. You have the ability to add a wide range of activities from webinars to e-learning lessons to videos, surveys, third-party content, and a lot more. So this is kind of the starting point for the process. Let's say I want to add a video. I'll go and I'll select the video activity. From here, I can select the video file that I want to use. I'll just grab this one right here, give it a name, and we'll just call this one leadership workshop. Description, how long the video is, how much of it they have to watch, is it required, can they watch it again, do we start it automatically, do we allow scroll ahead, which is the progress bar. Sometimes you want them to be able to do it, sometimes you don't. The way the scroll ahead feature also works is if it's turned on, they can scroll backwards, but they can't scroll forward, and then bookmarking. I click next. That will upload the video to the system. In a moment, excuse me, it will appear in the outline. Once the video appears in the outline, here it is. You can then move it wherever you want just by going to your drag and drop bar. Boom, I'll put it right there in the second position. Hit save, and that moves it. From here, I can preview it. This is what the course will look like if it was scheduled. There are no dates. That's why those are blank in the system. I go back to my course builder, and if I have any questions, need any help, I can just go to my AI, and it then can tell me, whatever I want. Tell me how to add a video. And the AI is going to walk you through that process. Love to do a more deeper demonstration. If you have any interest, just let us know.